A dramatic and tense chase unfolded when a driver suddenly fired at the police, fled into a house, and injured several officers. The suspect was eventually shot down after hours of tense standoff and negotiations with the SWAT team. Stay tuned for all the details of this incident in today's video. Police stopped a Ford Expedition without license plates on the 1500 block of Greenbrae Drive. As the officers approached to check the driver's paperwork, as usual, the suspect unexpectedly fired multiple shots, with one bullet grazing an officer's neck. After dodging the bullets, the police returned fire, shattering the rear window of the vehicle. The suspect, identified as 34-year-old Anthony Wade, fled the scene immediately afterward. Here is another angle showing the suspect's danger. After reporting the situation to headquarters and requesting assistance, police chased the suspect's vehicle on foot as his car had collided with another vehicle at an intersection 50 meters away. The collision severely damaged the suspect's car, forcing him to abandon it and flee into the nearby residential area.
This way! Turn around! Behind you! Where'd he go? Looks like he jumped the fence at personnel.
At this point, another officer arrived at the scene and took the injured officer to the hospital after he called for help. Minutes after the accident, dispatch received a call from a resident where the suspect was hiding.
911, what's the address, emergency? Hello, 911.
Yeah. Is there ever a gun in our house? Is there ever a gun in our house?
There's a guy in your house with a gun?
She reported that while she was cooking in her kitchen, a man with a gun broke into her house. Fearing for her and her child's safety, she armed herself with a kitchen knife and stabbed Wade. In the recorded conversation, Wade can be heard shouting, "You going to shoot me?" multiple times before exiting through the back door. Recognizing the suspect's danger, the police and SWAT teams were dispatched to the scene, where the woman had just stabbed Wade with a kitchen knife.
Where is he?
At this point, officers from multiple agencies began establishing a security perimeter and issued a shelter-in-place order for nearby residents. The woman's family was understandably shaken by the incident. She managed to provide crucial information about the suspect's escape route. After fleeing the first house, the suspect entered another nearby house through the back door. Police began searching house to house for Wade.
Just cover me just in case the guy might be in there. Alright, so we have a critical incident that's going on. It's kind of dangerous right now. Did anyone jump inside your yard or backyard? Where are you headed to? Okay. What I need you to do, can you go inside your house and shelter?
When they reached another woman's home, she was attempting to leave. Officers informed her of the ongoing situation and instructed her to return inside. Authorities returned to her house a few minutes later to ensure the suspect wasn't inside, only to find out she had been kidnapped and held hostage by Wade. Footage showed Wade hiding in the back seat of her car, demanding she drive him out of the search area. An elderly woman inside the house tried to open the front door for the police, but Wade, determined and dangerous, opened fire on the officers and SWAT team, leading to a tense standoff. Under the heavy firepower from the police, the suspect fled again. Fortunately, the homeowner was rescued without any injuries.
Yeah.
Get her out! Get her out! Get her out!
In this confrontation, we can see how dangerous Wade was as his bullets hit an officer's waist, fortunately protected by a bulletproof vest, leaving a 2-centimeter-long wound. Additionally, the deputy's hearing protection device was shot off his head. Dispatch received another call from a woman stating she was terrified.
911, what's the address of the emergency? Okay, and tell me exactly what happened.
Somebody has broken in my house and barricading my bedroom. The police had got the street blocked off. He's got right down the front door and come in.
Okay. He's barricaded in the bathroom?
No, I'm in the bathroom. He's on the side.
Does he know you're in there?
I don't know, maybe.
What's your name?
I'm scared to death.
Hiding in her bathroom after a man with a gun broke into her house. Suspect exited the house through the back door and tried to evade the police by hiding behind a shed in the backyard. The entire incident was captured on aerial footage. After sneaking around the backyard for a few minutes, Wade re-entered the house through the back door. Crisis negotiators and SWAT teams from multiple agencies were now involved, trying to persuade Wade to surrender peacefully. Over the next 5 hours, negotiators employed various tactics to get Wade to surrender peacefully. He refused. Around 7 p.m., SWAT team members entered the garage and found the suspect hiding. Wade ambushed the officers for the third time. After a barrage of suppressive fire, officers noticed no movement or engagement from Wade. Authorities believed he might have been injured in the final shootout and sent a medical team into the garage, where Wade was found deceased. Caution and readiness to handle dangerous situations. Police officers must always be cautious and ready to handle unexpected situations to ensure their safety and the community. Courage and decisiveness of residents. The brave actions of the woman who faced danger using any available means to protect herself and her family. The crucial role of SWAT and interagency coordination. The effective coordination between SWAT and law enforcement agencies to handle the tense situation, protect residents, and resolve the threat. Strict legal system and penalties. Violent acts and assaults on law enforcement must be punished strictly according to the law to deter and protect society. Through this story, we recognize the dangers of confronting criminals and the importance of coordination and decisiveness in maintaining public order and safety.
Please leave your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with the latest analysis videos from American Copwatch.